how to subscribe and unsubscribe from Todoist emails. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can subscribe and unsubscribe from Todoist emails. So if this is your question, just sit back and watch to the end so that you can know what to do. So the first step is to log in into your Todoist account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you can see the different options by the left side of the screen. You can check out your project as well. So the next step is to move to the top left side of the screen and then click on your profile icon. Once you click on this, the box displayed, ensure you select settings. After clicking on settings and you're on the settings page, by the left menu, you would see a sidebar showcasing several options. Scroll down and click on notification. Now, after clicking on notification, you can see desktop and web notifications, right? Just scroll down until you can see accounts and update emails. So these are the emails that to do it will be sending to you, and they include daily digest, what's new, tips and tricks. So to unsubscribe from this, all you need to do is just to tap this toggle. Once this toggle goes off or turns gray, it means that you've unsubscribed. And then once it turns on or turns green, that means that or turns orange, sorry, that means that you have subscribed. So you can just turn all of this off to unsubscribe from all of it. And then once you're done, click on updates. And then just like that, you've unsubscribed for your to do it emails. So this is how to do it. This is how you can subscribe and unsubscribe from to do it emails. Ensure you try this out today. Thanks for watching.